Just out here Saturday morning. Got a nice pickup we're doing. A lot of nice stuff in here. A couple computers, some electronics, some wire, a couple of trailers, appliance down the hill. Working on that truck. I already loaded some of the truck here. Got 4 of those big tall cabinets, a grinder, a mini fridge, and behind it there's a couple little 2-drawer filing cabinets. But it's a pretty good load to get. Let me get it loaded up and I'll show you it all loaded up on the truck. And then we got another pickup to do right after this. Coming out for pickup number 2. Oil tank under the bushes. Air handler. There's some light iron junk. 2 condensing units. 2 circulator pumps. Some nice #1 steel. And I know there's something in here. A couple burners. A line set. And another A coil. Not bad. Let me get this loaded up. We are loaded. Right to the edge and right to the top of the truck. Can't really see in there, but I promise you it's full. I gotta sort through some of this stuff, get the copper out of it, and it's ready to go to the yard. Here's a monster 6-section boiler. Whole bunch of copper I got from the job too. A little bit of light iron on the top. This thing was heavy, unbelievably heavy. I'm guessing it's probably 1,300 pounds, somewhere in that ballpark. We had to split it apart section by section just to be able to carry it out of the building it was in. But I'm going to empty this truck now, take this copper off, take the light iron off, and put that stuff in the box truck and load all the #1 into this truck. I'll let you know as we go along. Just take a quick look at how big some of these valves are. Solid brass. There's brass inside here. There's brass inside here. Some copper there. Look at the size of that pipe coming out of the top of the boiler. I tell you, this thing was huge. Piece of brass right there that I could take out. Three-inch pipe. 3-inch pipe on this setup. Couple expansion tanks. Some copper. If I could get myself out of here. Look at the size of these circulator pumps. Huge. Some more copper. I'll pull off that little bit of insulation. It's all copper underneath there. A couple other little pieces of copper. That was a big boiler. That took a couple hours just to cut it free, take it out, take it apart, and get it to the truck. It was quite the adventure. But we had a few guys there and we got it done. Let me keep unloading the truck so I could load it with just #1. Here's another air handler. All taken apart. There's a condensing unit smashed up inside there. There's the truck full. Cabinets, a trailer, a couple of washer and dryers, some ductwork, a couple of computer cases. I gotta throw all this on there right now also. These garage doors and that little bit of sheet metal there. And I got one hot water heater to take out of the pickup and throw on this load. And we're gonna go dump it. Just made another load to the scrapyard. Just threw off 5 desks. I just picked them up, but I couldn't film it where we were. But that's what they look like on the ground. We're headed back now to get another load. There's a big storm coming. It's putting a little damper on my scrapping operation here at the moment. Blue sky over there though. But there comes the storm clouds. I'm gonna have to go in the garage for a little while to get through this one. A lot of lightning out here. I'll be back, guys. Truck's all empty. We're headed out now. I got 40 filing cabinets to go pick up. I think it's going to be 2 loads though. But I wanted to show you this. All these TVs and monitors, they're all stripped down. All the copper's out of them. They're ready to just go to the recycling yard. Here's all the junk that came out of them. Those nice copper yokes. And I picked up this also along the way. I couldn't film at this place, but it's a walk-through metal detector. I'm going to take that apart on camera. We'll see what's in there. There's a lot of aluminum. But I figured I'd film that one as I strip it down. I won't get to do it today, but I'll put it on the list of something I want to film. Alright guys, I told you I was picking up a whole bunch of filing cabinets. There's load number 1. That goes back 16 feet. I got quite a few in here. Let me throw them off and go get the next load. There you go guys. Truck's empty. Whole lot of filing cabinets. Load number 2. Filled right to the roof. Right to the back of the truck again. All filing cabinets. These blueprint holder racks. I got all this nice extruded aluminum. Just got to clean it up a little bit. Let me unload this. There's all that extruded I was telling you about. Nice pile. Truck's empty. There's all the filing cabinets.